morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
Uh,
morning, ma'am.
yesterday we have started with lesson number 2 of
Chapter
civics.
2.
That is role of government in health. And here I had already made you clear that what we are going to read in this lesson. We have just started the lesson, and we will read about what. Can anybody tell me in this lesson? Hello. What we are going to read in this lesson?
How government help us for our health.
Yes, how government helps us in taking
Ma'am,
care of
ma'am,
our.
role of
How
government
government help
first
in
step was
changing the
taken by
health,
government
man, in taking care of our health.
Yes, in taking care of our health.
health.
Government, what steps government is taking to take care of our health also, है ना? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
or to improve our health conditions. Next, we have also this. What is health? This also we have understood. Yes, can anybody tell me what is health?
Ma'am,
Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries.
Only this much?
I tell.
And
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but it also includes factors that affect health like clean drinking water, pollution-free environment, healthy food, eat, etc.
Yes, health doesn't only mean that we are free from illness or injuries. That means हमारे को कुछ टाइप की चोट नहीं लगी है या हम कोई sickness नहीं है हमें इस टाइप से हम healthy person हो गए. We can't say that. But when we are having clean drinking water, safe means pollution-free environment, safe environment, pollution-free environment, then also we can say that we are a healthy person because we are existing in a healthy environment. And when we are going to live in the healthy environment, healthy atmosphere, then definitely we are not means we will not be able to catch the any type of disease or sickness very easily, है ना? But in the on the other hand, if we will live in polluted areas or where sanitation problem is there and lack of we can say cleanliness is there, then at that in that environment now we are having means we keeping our body clean and all, but then also we are more likely to catch the diseases if we are living in we are not living in a clean and green environment. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we have to start with this paragraph today. All of us would like to be active and in the good spirits. That means every one of us want to be active, want to participate in each and every activity, and in good spirits, in whatever we may doing. That means whatever we are doing, we want to do it till end. That means till it satisfies our uh, mind and body. That means we should be doing the work which makes us feel happy. And if the environment will be clean, if we'll get adequate amount of food, nutritious food, then we can be concentrating on particular activity nicely. Or हम उसको जैसे if we are indulged in playing a game, then we will remain in the game till the end of the game, till the game completes. When if we are healthy and if we are playing in a healthy atmosphere, but that the same atmosphere is not good if we are not in a healthy state of mind, then what will be happening? We will feel tired very soon, and in the middle of the game only we will try to come out of the game, and we will not like to play any further. So the environment, the nutritious food, the clean water, that all helps a lot to make us active and good in good spirit. So we all need to be without mental strain also. Now, not only without injuries and illness, and we should have healthy environment, healthy food and water, good amount of water, but we should also need to be without mental strain. Now, if we are healthy enough, but mentally we are very means in a tension, then can we tell us that we are a healthy person? If we are having a
No,
No,
mental
ma'am.
tension,
no, ma'am.
mentally we are weak, because when
No,
we are
ma'am.
having a tension, that means mentally we are not prepared to cope up with the uh, situations and all, and we are very much afraid of fear of protecting ourselves from the means any type of illness and all. And mental strain is the strain where you are mostly indulge in the tension, a type of tension is there in your mind, and then in that case you can't say that you are a healthy person. So there should be no tension, enough of food, enough of good amount of water, plus pollution free environment. All these things are very important for a healthy life. So all of these various aspects of lives are a part of health. So this is all the part of health. What are the part of health? The clean drinking water, pollution free environment, and what else?
And
Without
healthy food.
healthy
Healthy food.
plus a person without mental strain, mental tension,
Train.
person without mental tension, any type of tension, any type of worriedness should not be there in a person. All of these are the aspects of, now these are all the aspects of the life that are part of the health. Now, healthcare in India. Let us examine some of the aspects of healthcare in India. Now, what are the healthcares of India? Compare and contrast the situation expressed in the first and second column. Now, first and second column, two columns are there. You have to compare the situations of both the uh, groups. That is, both the columns you have to compare. Now, first, India has the largest number of medical colleges. Now, first situation is given that India is having the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producers of doctors. Means many medical colleges are there in India. Even many doctors are there. Approximately more than 30,000 new doctors qualify is every year in every year. That means as there are number of medical colleges more, the doctors who studies means the students who want to get the study about doctorate, then they are also many new doctors qualify every year. Means more than 30,000 doctors qualify just because of the large number of medical colleges. बहुत सारे medical colleges हैं और बहुत सारे students doctors की studies कर रहे हैं, higher studies कर रहे हैं, and every year at least 30,000 doctors are there in our country. New doctors are there. Other side, we can say that most doctors settle in urban areas, but when they are getting the means occupation of doctor, as soon as they complete their studies and they want to practice now the doctor
Ma'am,
their job. Yes.
ma'am, in my book it is written 15,000
हाँ
doctors.
हाँ 15,000 doctors है ना. तो बेटा
I
I
book
Yes,
also.
I think your will be old version है ना.
no, ma'am. I have purchased new set book, ma'am.
अच्छा तो कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. You can just make the changes in there only. है ना.
They have to correction.
हाँ. Either you can do
मैम
the
Ma'am,
मेरे
correction
some
or
पास
are
no.
same and some
15,000
are
है।
different.
No need for any correction. जो आपकी बुक में लिखा है आप अभी वही पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है ना. आप अभी न्यू सेट खरीद के लेकर आए, कोई बात नहीं. क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ दिस
मेरे
इज
बुक में भी 15,000 है।
हाँ दिस इज द लेटेस्ट एडिशन बेटा, इसीलिए दैट इज वाई.
So, in our book which is written that we have to read.
हाँ हाँ,
What
whatever,
is written in a book that
हाँ, whatever it is written in your book, or you can just make a note over there, 30,000.
okay ma'am.
Ma'am, in exam we write 30,000 or 15,000.
Huh? If in your
Ma'am, in
book,
exam,
I will make means I will put tick mark for 15,000 also and 30,000 also, because your book set is new. That is also correct. But my set is of means I have downloaded the latest version. That is also correct, है ना? तो आपकी बुक में अगर 15,000 है, then also it will be good. कोई बात नहीं, अगर 15,000 लिख दोगे तो आप I will make it tick mark it. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
And who has changed the ID? Who has changed the ID to 16, 18, 122, 55 and 14 and all? Who is that?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am,
Hello? Yes?
Ma'am, it is coming.
ma'am, your voice is not coming. Your voice is cutting.
Okay, those who are not able to hear my voice, I think one Nana only. You can check your device. So most doctors who are now who are the doctors now after getting the medical education and all, now they had to practice their job. So what they settle mostly in the urban areas. ज़्यादातर वो cities में settle होते हैं. People in rural areas have to travel long distances to reach a doctor. Now they don't want to settle in the rural areas. These doctors who are having the knowledge about doctory and who want to practice now their job. अब वो कहाँ करते हैं? वो अपनी डिस्पेंसरी या कोई बड़े हॉस्पिटल में इन द cities वहां पर वो ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. And for that reason what happened in rural areas, the people are not having the proper doctors. Rural areas means village में proper doctors available नहीं होते हैं और उनको बहुत लंबा travel करना पड़ता है to reach to the cities and all for the proper treatment. So the number of doctors with respect to the population much less in the rural areas. So doctors, the number of doctors with respect to population, that means जितना population है rural areas में, village areas में, उतने doctors available नहीं होते हैं village में, because most of the doctors after getting the education they prefer their jobs to be continued in the city only. वो शहर में ही अपनी job find out करने लगते हैं, कोई गांव जाना नहीं मांगता है. Clear? That is why in rural areas there is lack of doctors and the people there had to travel long distances for proper treatment. The second stage is that healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. Now healthcare facilities have grown. Many healthcare facilities are being available to the people. Now in 1950 there were only 2,717 government hospitals in India, and in 1991, there were 11,174 hospitals in hospitals, and in 2017, the number grew 23,000. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it is 2000 only.
हाँ,
1000 लिखा हुआ है.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मेरे पास लेटेस्ट एडिशन है. You can note it down with a pencil over here there only. आप लेटेस्ट एडिशन का नोट कर लो या तो वहीं पर पेंसिल से. But it will be not wrong to say, है ना? आपकी बुक में 2000 the number grew 18,218 लिखा हुआ है ना. It is also okay. वो बता रहा है कि 2000 है. If you will give of 2000 the data of 2000 also, it will be not wrong to say, है ना? क्योंकि उस वक्त वही था. अगर आपको लेटेस्ट डेटा चाहिए.
मैम
हाँ यस.
मैम आपके वहाँ पे 2017 लिखा है और मैम हमारे 2000 है.
तो वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ. तो आपका 2000 लिखा हुआ है. That is also correct. That data is also correct. But if you want the latest data, 2017 का latest data चाहिए, you can with the pencil एक और line add कर लो ये वाली. You can add in your book only if you want. Otherwise, that till 2000 also it is okay. And the year first, approximately 30,000 is written, and in your book it is 15,000 written. So no problem. This is the latest data. You can note it down. वहां पर 30,000 भी लिख सकते हो आप with your pencil. Are you all following? This is also correct, and in your book, whatever data is given, it is also correct according to your book version.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. In 1950, there were 2,717 government hospitals. Means health facilities are being provided to the people more and more as the years are passing by. So in 1950, how many government hospitals were there in India? 2,717.
2,770.
And in 1991, there were 11,070
11,174
174
hospitals.
hospitals. And now, if latest we will see, then it is in our
2000
knowledge that 2017, the number grew to 23,583. So
23,583.
day by day, these government hospitals are increasing, the facilities for healthcare of the people are increasing. Clear? Now about
Yes,
5
ma'am.
lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. Now, what is tuberculosis? It was a type of disease, waterborne disease. This number is almost unchanged since independence. हमेशा इतना ही tuberculosis से death होती है. Almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year, and this number isn't decreasing. और ये decrease नहीं हो रहा है ये number. Clear? So Dow healthcare facilities are improving day by day, but then also the number is unchanged. Means every year so many people are still dying due to some of the other diseases. Now India gets a large number of medical tourists from many countries. Medical tourists. Who are medical tourists?
मैम जो
जो मेडिकल
डॉक्टर्स है
पढ़ाई
ना
करने के
बाहर
लिए
से
आते हैं
डॉक्टर की
वो
पढ़ाई करी हुई होती है और
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
क्लिनिक
Ah,
होते
who are
हैं.
medical tourists? Medical tourists are the people who move from one place to another for the reason for the medical purpose. किसी को कोई facility चाहिए, treatment चाहिए, and if that treatment is not available in their own particular territory, in their own area, then they move to other countries. That is called medical tourist. Means when the people move to other part of the country for the reason for medical purpose. आया समझ में? Medical tourists. So India gets
Yes,
a large number of medical tourists from many countries. बहुत सारे countries से medical tourists हमारे country में आते हैं. They come for treatment in some of the hospitals in India that compared with best in the world. Now many hospitals are there in India which are best in the world, and that is why these medical tourists means the people come from outside the country and for the treatment, for the medical treatment. Clear? They are called as medical tourists. Now we are not able to, next part it is that we are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. So many people are there, so many government hospitals are open, so many good hospitals are there which are best in the world, but then also government is not able to provide clean drinking water to all. 21% of all communicable diseases are waterborne. जितने भी communicable diseases है, we can say that 21% of these communicable diseases are waterborne. Means communicable. What are communicable diseases? The diseases which are spread from one person to another. एक person से दूसरे person को easily जो disease spread होती है. And nowadays, which type of nowadays what virus is spreading fast?
Corona.
Ma'am, coronavirus.
Ma'am,
Yes.
COVID-19.
मैम
COVID
कोविड
Ma'am, COVID.
is
Malaria.
and now it is said that 21% of all communicable diseases, the diseases which are spread from person to person, they are waterborne. अब कौन सी diseases are waterborne? Example are given of waterborne diseases: diarrhea, worms, hepatitis. These are all waterborne diseases. Clear? गंदे पानी से ये diseases हो
Yes,
जाती
ma'am.
है if we are not having the clean water. So next is again in the first part, India is the third largest producer of medicines. India is the third largest. In your book, I think fourth it is written.
No, ma'am, third only.
Third only?
Third only.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Third only.
Okay, then it's good. India is the third largest producer of the medicine in the world and is also the large exporter of medicines. That means so many medicines are produced in India and it is exported to other part of the world also. And now in the next part, we can say half of all the children in India do not get adequate food to eat and are undernourished. And on the other part, we will see that the children, most of the children are not getting the adequate amount of food to eat, means proper nutritional diet they are not having, and they are undernourished. Undernourished means they are not having the balanced diet, the nutritional diet, and that is why they are undernourished. उनको कम खाना मिल रहा है या कभी कभी तो वो बिना खाए ही सोना पड़ता है. So now these two columns, what does these two columns indicate? What do these two columns indicate? आपने अभी contrast पढ़ा, comparison पढ़ा, ये paragraph और ये paragraph में आपको क्या difference मिला? What difference?
Ma'am, like in healthcare facilities, there are so many healthcare facilities, but then too, the disease is not decreasing.
Very,
Tuberculosis.
very good, very good, very good, Naina.
Thank you, ma'am.
So many health facilities are increasing, healthcare facilities are increasing. So many steps have been
But
taken
in urban,
by the government. So many hospitals are there. Even medical tourists are coming to from other countries to our country to get proper treatment. So many medicines are produced every day, every year, and it is exported to the world. But apart from all these facilities which are there for proper health care, then too we say that lakhs of people are dying due to many types of diseases, and people, just because people are not having adequate amount of food, nutritious food, plus they are not having clean drinking water, plus the doctors which are getting the education of
And they are
medical,
not getting medical protection.
these doctors are settled in the cities also, and that is why the rural areas are lacking for the good doctors. उनको good doctors क्या नहीं मिल रहे हैं rural areas को. So this is the comparison. So now we have improved a lot in healthcare facilities, but then too we are lagging to provide all these facilities to the common man. आया समझ में? कॉमन मैन को ये सारी फैसिलिटीज देने अवेलेबल फिर भी नहीं हो रही हैं.
yes, ma'am.
Order,
Yes.
so in order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities. Now, in order to prevent इस type की problems न create हो, to prevent the type of diseases and to treat illnesses, कोई भी illness को treat करने के लिए, उसको proper treatment देने के लिए, it is necessary for the appropriate healthcare facilities. अच्छी तरीके की health facilities जो common man को available हो, it is necessary for that. Such as health centers. अब कौन सी healthcare facilities are there? You can underline this. Health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance service, blood banks, etc. Nowadays, you can see that coronavirus is spreading, but now due to lack of oxygen cylinders and lack of vaccination, sometimes people had to go to the vaccination centers, but vaccines are not available, and sometimes they are not getting the required treatment. So this is all because of the lack of
And
healthcare
ma'am, they're not
facilities.
getting the
Huh?
oxygen.
Lack of
And I'm
healthcare.
not getting the oxygen.
So there is a need to improve in the healthcare facilities. that can provide and required care and service that patients need. जो कि ये सब चीजें ambulance, hospitals, laboratory for testing, services, blood banks, all should be made available to each and every individual whenever they are in need of it. जब जरूरत हो patients को, जब इनको ये चीज available हो, then only we can say that proper healthcare facilities are taking place. Clear? Now, in order to run
Yes.
such facilities,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of blood banks?
Blood bank means when people uh, keep the means excess blood जो कोई blood donate करता है, and whenever any patient is in need of blood of particular we can say type of blood, तो वो blood bank वहाँ से available करवाता है. And these blood banks वो protect करके रखते हैं, एक तरीके से save करके रखते हैं blood. उनका एक अलग
Okay,
तरीके
ma'am.
से प्रिकॉशन और होता है वहां पर ब्लड रखने के लिए, ताकि जब कभी भी इमरजेंसी हो, द पीपल, अब हम लोगों को कहाँ ढूंढते फिरेंगे जब जरूरत होगी, तो A+, A नेगेटिव या A पॉजिटिव ब्लड की या B
मैम
पॉजिटिव
ब्लड
की हो, तो इस टाइप की
मैम ब्लड ग्रुप पे
हाँ
ब्लड ग्रुप पे डिपेंड करता
हाँ
है।
ब्लड ग्रुप पे डिपेंड करता है. तो इस टाइप के पर्सन हमको जब लास्ट मोमेंट पे हमें नीड होगी, तो हमें कभी नहीं मिलने देखने को मिलते हैं पेशेंट्स जो हमें ये ब्लड ग्रुप्स अवेलेबल जब जरूरत पड़ती है तब नहीं मिलता. तो वी कंसर्न टू ब्लड बैंक्स फॉर दीज ब्लड ग्रुप्स. क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in order to run such facilities, we need health workers. अब इन facilities को run करने के लिए for health centers, hospitals, laboratories, testing, ambulance services, blood banks, इन सब services को run करने के लिए for the working process of these facilities, we are in need of what? Workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals who can advise, diagnose, and treat illness. Now, facilities are available, but if we are not having people to take the means to make use of these facilities, अगर ये facilities use करना नहीं आए, then it will be of no use. So for the use of these healthcare facilities, we need proper workers, talented and able nurses, qualified doctors and health professionals and all, so that whenever there is a need for these types of equipments, the particular professionals can use these whenever it is needed by the people. So we also need a medicine and equipment that are necessary for treating the patient. These facilities are required to take care of us. Now these facilities, even the human beings and the different types of facilities, both of them, the requirement is there to improve the healthcare services. I hope till here it is clear, everyone. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am?
I end up, today I end up here
Ma'am?
only. Yes.
मैम समटाइम वी आर जॉइनिंग मैम आई एम मैम अगर हम है ना ज्वाइन करते हैं क्लास और मैम फिर ज्वाइन करने बाद एंटर वो चैट पे ना प्रेजेंट लिखते हैं मैम समटाइम्स सम नेटवर्क इशू समटाइम्स वी लीव द क्लास मैम अगेन वी हैव टू टाइप द प्रेजेंट इन चैट बॉक्स.
No, once you type present, it's okay, है ना? But अगर दोबारा आप एंटर ले रहे हो नेक्स्ट टाइम, अगर वापस एंट्री ले रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू टाइप इट अगेन, है ना?
ओके मैम.
एक बार और टाइप कर लेना. नाउ बिफोर लीविंग द क्लास यू हैव टू टाइप अगेन प्रेजेंट in the chat box. Okay?
यस मैम.
Now that's all for today. I hope you understood till here. In the next class, we are going to continue with this page number 21.